In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to do this.
Here, the ocean is near, where you dug a
Plunge on that crimson button and hit that ding dong to never miss amazing videos from us. At first, select a clip which you want to tweak. Well, I have these two here. Remember that the duration of the video should be 5 to 8 seconds. Now right click on any of the clip and then go to the crop and zoom. Hover around to pan and zoom and then click inside this small portion. Once clicked, it will get highlighted. Now increase its size using the corner pin. Now drag it a bit upward. Also you can adjust the size, increase it or decrease it. It's your preference. Now I drag it all the way upward, but if I wanted I could have put it in the middle. But I wanted to see these buildings, so I drag it up all the way, so don't mind that. Now if I play this video, then you can see that it is just a normal crop and zoom and nothing special. Well, the reason for this is because our video is in forward motion. So to stop that, simply click on this reverse icon and then play the video. And voila, you will notice that this building is staying at the same place while the clip is stretching out. Well, this is pretty much the idea behind the Dolly Zoom effect. Now if I go to the other clip and apply the same properties, then if I click on the play button, then you can already see that it is vertigo. Well, if you're wondering that why is it already in vertigo effect even without using the reverse icon, well, it is because in this clip our camera is going backward. So the basic idea behind vertigo is that if your clip is in backward, then you simply don't need to use the reverse icon. But if the direction of your camera is forward, then you need to use the reverse icon. Well, that is all there to create an artificial Dolly Zoom effect.
God knows I've tried to wait.
So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos like this for you. Till then, see you later.